What's going on, guys? Kyle from Xclusive Autoworks here. We are doing a full detail on this Porsche as well as some touch-up. He does have a bit of a chip on the door. I believe this is a recent acquisition of his, but he's got a chip on the door that we're going to fix. But beforehand, we're going to do like a nice detail, clean it up to make sure all the surfaces are nice and clean before we start doing our touch-up. And I will take you through the process of both the wash and the touch-up paint. All right, so the car's fully washed now, wheels, full body, all the jams and everything. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clean the surface with Car Pro Eraser. We're going to make sure that there's no oils. We're trying to promote the bond between the touch-up and the actual panel itself. So we're gonna spray a little there, a little on the panel. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit. Make sure that there's no oils from either my hands or any car wash that we've used. So what we're doing here is we're doing the drip and smear technique. So we put a nice little blob like in the actual chip itself with our touch-up paint. So we're gonna take a squeegee, we're gonna take the flat end of it and just kind of drag it down. And what we're doing is we're just taking off the very surface so it fills it in nicely. There you have it, guys. We've got our Porsche. It is fully washed, nice and clean. We prepped the panel, we did some touch-up, blended it a bit. So it is virtually gone from a good like foot, 2 feet away. Unless you really know it's there, you would never see it. But happy with the outcome. It blended nicely, and to most people, they'll never even see that.